In this video, we'll break down a simple yet powerful Dockerfile that builds a React app and serves it using nginx, all wrapped in a Docker Compose setup. In the first stage, we use Node.js to build the React app. Dependencies are installed, the code is copied, and the build is generated in the app dist folder. In the second stage, we switch to a lightweight nginx image. It serves the static build, applies a custom nginx config, and exposes port 3001. Now we use Docker Compose to easily manage the container. The front-end service builds from the current directory and exposes port 3001. To start the app, run Docker Compose up. Docker will build the image, create the container, and serve your React app automatically on HTTP localhost 3001. You don't need to manually run Docker build or Docker run. Compose handles it all in one step. This setup is ideal for modern front-end teams. Fast, efficient, and easy to deploy. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more DevOps and front-end deployment tips. And if you want to follow up on multi-container compose setups or CI/CD pipelines, let us know in the comments.